Welcome to a journey that will transform your life and your surroundings. Imagine stepping into your garden, a sanctuary of peace and beauty. The sun is warm on your skin, casting a golden glow over everything. Beautiful flowers are blooming, their vibrant colors painting a picturesque scene. The air is filled with the buzz of happy bees, diligently pollinating the flowers, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Juicy tomatoes and crisp cucumbers await your harvest, promising fresh homegrown produce that tastes better than anything from the store. Gardening is a rewarding journey, from planting the first seed to watching it grow and flourish. It teaches patience, care, and the joy of nurturing life. It connects us with nature, grounding us in the present moment. It brings us joy, a sense of accomplishment, and a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. And the best part? Anyone can do it. Gardening is for everyone, regardless of age or experience. It's a wonderful activity that can be enjoyed alone or with family and friends. Whether you have a sprawling backyard, a cozy balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, you can experience the magic of gardening. Even the smallest space can be transformed into a green oasis. Let's embark on this adventure together. We'll explore tips and tricks, share stories, and grow our garden side by side. Are you ready to discover a game-changing gardening secret? This secret will revolutionize the way you garden, making it easier and more enjoyable. It's simple, effective, and best of all, good for the environment. We'll delve into eco-friendly practices from composting to sustainable gardening techniques. Let's dive in and make our gardens not only beautiful, but also environmentally friendly. Get ready to transform your garden with a surprising ingredient: coffee grounds. That's right, those leftover grounds from your morning cup of joe can work wonders for your plants. Coffee grounds are like a secret weapon for gardeners. They can boost your soil's health, keep pesky pests away, and even supercharge your compost. It's like giving your garden a special treat. Intrigued? Let's discover the amazing benefits of coffee grounds and how to use them effectively in your garden. Why are coffee grounds so beneficial for your garden? It's a question many gardeners have pondered. The answer lies in the unique properties of these seemingly simple grounds. It's all thanks to their unique composition. Coffee grounds are rich in organic material, which is essential for healthy soil. When you add them to your garden, you're not just recycling waste, you're enriching the earth. Coffee grounds are slightly acidic. This acidity can be a game changer for certain plants. The pH level of your soil can significantly impact plant health, and coffee grounds can help balance it. This is great news for plants that love acidic soil, like blueberries, roses, and azaleas. These plants thrive in slightly acidic conditions, and coffee grounds can help create the perfect environment for them. They are also a natural fertilizer. Coffee grounds contain essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital for plant growth and development. Coffee grounds are packed with nitrogen, a key nutrient that helps plants grow big and strong. Nitrogen is crucial for the development of healthy leaves and stems, making your plants more robust and vibrant. And here's a bonus. Coffee grounds can help deter unwanted garden visitors like slugs and snails. These pests can wreak havoc on your plants, but coffee grounds can act as a natural deterrent. They don't like the texture of the grounds, so they'll steer clear of your precious plants. The rough texture of the coffee grounds is uncomfortable for these pests, making it an effective and eco-friendly solution. Ready to put this knowledge into action? Let's move on to the practical part. We'll show you step-by-step how to incorporate coffee grounds into your gardening routine, ensuring your plants get the maximum benefit. From composting to direct application, we'll cover all the methods you can use to make your garden thrive. First, let's talk about composting. Adding coffee grounds to your compost pile is a fantastic way to boost its nutrient content. The grounds break down and release their nutrients slowly, providing a steady supply of nourishment for your plants. When you mix coffee grounds into your compost, you're creating a rich, dark, and crumbly compost that your plants will love. It's like giving them a gourmet meal. Next, you can use coffee grounds directly in your garden. Simply sprinkle them around the base of your plants. This not only provides nutrients, but also helps improve soil structure and drainage. Coffee grounds can also help retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. This is especially beneficial during hot, dry periods. So whether you're composting or applying them directly, coffee grounds can be a powerful ally in your gardening toolkit. Give it a try and watch your garden flourish. Using coffee grounds in your garden is easy. Not only is it a great way to recycle, but it also provides numerous benefits to your plants and soil. Here's a simple guide to get you started on this eco-friendly gardening practice. First, after brewing your coffee, let the grounds cool completely. This is important because hot coffee grounds can damage your plants. You can collect them in a container and store them for later use. Make sure the container is airtight to keep the grounds fresh. Next, sprinkle a thin layer of coffee grounds around the base of your plants. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. Avoid direct contact with the stems. This helps prevent any potential fungal growth or stem rot. Then, water your plants as usual. The water will help the coffee grounds break down and release their nutrients into the soil. This will help the nutrients from the coffee grounds seep into the soil, providing a slow-release fertilizer effect. Finally, you can add coffee grounds to your garden every 2 to 4 weeks. This regular addition will help maintain soil fertility and improve soil structure. Remember, a little goes a long way. Overuse of coffee grounds can lead to soil acidity, so it's best to start with small amounts. Start with a small amount and observe how your plants respond. If they seem to thrive, you can gradually increase the amount. You can also mix coffee grounds with your compost. This will help balance the carbon to nitrogen ratio in your compost pile, making it more effective. Another great use for coffee grounds is as mulch. Spread a thin layer over the soil surface to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. If you have a worm bin, coffee grounds can be a fantastic addition. Worms love coffee grounds, and they help speed up the composting process. It's also a good idea to test your soil pH periodically. Coffee grounds are slightly acidic, so you want to ensure your soil doesn't become too acidic for your plants. So, next time you enjoy a cup of coffee, remember that those grounds can be a valuable resource for your garden. Coffee grounds are a fantastic addition to your compost bin. They provide nitrogen, which helps break down organic matter. Simply add your used coffee grounds to your compost pile along with other kitchen scraps and yard waste. Turn the pile regularly to ensure even decomposition. With the help of coffee grounds, you'll have nutrient-rich compost to nourish your garden in no time. While coffee grounds are beneficial, it's possible to have too much of a good thing. If you notice your soil becoming too acidic, some plants might show yellowing leaves. You can reduce the amount of coffee grounds you use. Remember, balance is key in gardening. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach based on your garden's needs. Gardening is all about experimentation and discovery. Try using coffee grounds on different types of plants and observe the results. You might be surprised by how well your plants respond. Keep a gardening journal to track your progress and make note of what works best in your garden. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the journey. Gardening is more fun when shared with others. Connect with fellow gardeners, exchange tips, and celebrate your successes together. Share your coffee ground gardening experiences and inspire others to try this eco-friendly hack. Together, we can create beautiful and thriving gardens while being kind to our planet. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a greener thumb. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning, experimenting, and enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor. So go ahead, grab those coffee grounds, and let the gardening adventures begin. Happy gardening!